Using a digital microscope to measure and solder is really helpful. This digital microscope is from Andonstar, and it's named ADSM201. It has 4 times digital zoom, up to 300x magnification and HDMI output. We can now clearly see what the distance is between the electronic components we are measuring. This has greatly improved my efficiency. Equipped with the exclusive lens and HD sensor, this digital microscope provides clear and high-resolution images with deep depth of field, without any delay or any reflection. Since the microscope is designed to be adjustable, it can provide enough working distance, ranging from 4 cm to 15 cm. Now, I have this digital microscope hanging upside down on my desk, so that I can do my soldering work better. Now we connect the microscope to an external screen for a better view of the PCB and its solder joints. Now we can see the clear image projected on the screen.